Greeting adventurers, I am the Apprentice, and today I will be your guide on this mythical quest that is beard care. Today we will be answering an age-old question. Does brushing your beard help it grow?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
But first, we must define our terms. What is a beard brush? Well, let me tell you. A beard brush is a magical tool crafted from the finest materials, and with its bristles of wonder and the handle of power, it is an easy tool to help conquer any wild beards. Now, to the question at hand. Does brushing your beard help it grow? Some say that brushing your facial hair helps stimulate the follicles to help grow and promote thickness, while others say that brushing can unfortunately be a cause of over-grooming and leaving your beard brittle and unkempt. So what is the answer? Unfortunately, my dear adventurers, this is a very difficult question to answer, because the answers have always been shrouded. You see, for some adventurers, it does work the way of promoting facial hair growth, and it can stimulate follicles and promote thickness, where others, it's true, it can damage their facial hair, leaving it patchy. The truth is, it is a very complex and mysterious process, one that involves genetics, hormones, and diet. All these things do affect the individual's growth journey for their facial hair. But what we do know is that there are good benefits of having a healthy brushing routine. Brushing can help distribute oils and conditioners throughout your facial hair, as well as help detangle and keep the beard in a more professional manner. And let's not forget the aesthetic benefits of a well-groomed and maintained beard. It can give you a bit more of a polished, put-together look. So, my friends, the answer of the question is at hand. While brushing your facial hair may not promote growth, it is a very important aspect to having a more maintained look, to give you that confidence to display your facial hair out into the wide world. But remember, a beard is a journey, not a destination. So don't get discouraged if your beard does not grow as quickly as you'd like. With patience, perseverance, and of course, a touch of magic, your beard can reach its fullest potential. Adventurers, we are very appreciative of everything that you do for our community. If you did like this video, please consider actually liking the video, commenting down below your thoughts, as well as subscribing to our channel. If you toll the bell, you may get notifications whenever we do post new videos. Thank you, adventurers, for all that you do, and as we always say at the end, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.